Hey, how's it going, everybody? Sarasota Tim coming to you from LJ, Georgia. What do I got right here? It's an axe. And what are you going to do with it? Well, I'm going to cut some wood right here as promised. The owner of the Airbnb that you can rent here at Sunrise Chalet is got a beautiful fire ring, and you can either buy you some bundled wood or you're welcome, I guess, to cut your own wood here. But there's plenty of it. He told me that all this wood over here is over a year old and seasoned, and then this is some of the greener wood here that may not burn as well. Keeping it covered is very important because it rains a lot and you want to be able to burn wood. So I'm going to get a few sticks out, probably going to be working on this longer than the video is going to go, and I'm going to show you how to use an axe. Let's go. Now, I've been warned that there are snakes, so, you know, would that be something if one jumped out? Snakes, spiders, you name it. Let me see if I can use this to push the canvas back. There we go. Now, get us a few pieces out. These are kind of small right here. Now you have to get some small pieces to get the fire started, then you can just throw some big logs on. But we're gonna at least split all of these here. Let's just begin. That'll be enough for a video for you guys to see if I still got what it takes. Chop wood, you got to put it on a base. Let me get my axe here. There's a certain way you swing an axe, and that's away from you. Not bad, it's almost split already. Just getting my aim going. That wasn't the best cut. This should be better. That's a nice little piece. Well, I can see how this would be real work. Oh boy. Oh! Some good wood. You cut this at your own risk. There we go. We're getting our aim down. Don't give up on me, folks. There we go. That's how you split some wood. Put our pieces right here. We'll actually get the pieces down a lot smaller. You know, even smaller than that I can split. I'll show you a little hole right here. Let me see if I can split that one. You get little pieces like this, and he's provided a torch for me too to light these little ones. And once you get a good little pile of this kindling going, so let me grab another big log right here. I'll try not to bore you too long. Just until I cut off one arm. Just kidding. You gotta be really careful. Now that one's not gonna work. Here we go. Only let professionals do this. Right down the middle. Needs to be off to the side. I've watched YouTube videos of guys doing this. They make it look a lot easier. Well, that's a good little break. Look at that. That's a good little piece. Ooh. What do you think? Oh, watch your toes. Now you can do something like this. If I remember right, you can take a piece, put it on here, and put the axe on and beat it like that. Then you can do that. There's more than one way to skin a snake. Woo! Wow, this is work. Look at that, it covers itself back up. I'm only just getting started here. There we go. These are nice small pieces that are going to burn. I'm going to actually get that torch and get a little bit of this fire going early on just to see how it's going to burn. Get some small pieces here. The wood looks nice and dry. I think it's going to burn well. We hope to have a really nice fire for you guys tonight. This is that piece that won't stand up straight. Well, there we go. That's not going to work. I can hear the professionals out there. The armchair quarterbacks. Look at this, it's coming apart. I'm getting it. Ah, see, don't give up on me. All right, so I'm gonna get some smaller pieces and I'm gonna get that torch and show you how the torch works. First, take a break. A little trick here for you. How to split some small pieces to make kindling. When you get these little smaller ones like that, just lay it down flat. And you can just chop it. Well, it worked on the last piece anyway. See? Get these little sticks like this. You show the torch that I have right there. I'm going to be using. And this is working great. That's a heavy axe. It's the real deal. You can chop a tree down with that. It's not a small one. So I want them even smaller. But since I've got a little cheater with that torch, see here? I should be able to get some nice little small pieces here that'll light. Make a little teepee type thing. This is the key. I actually want something smaller than that. I don't know how dry those are. Let me keep going. A little piece right here. Oh yeah. It's good dry wood. Hopefully it'll light easily. Yeah. It's all good. I really need, let's just try the torch and see what happens. These are kind of thick. All right, guys, if you get the wood split and you get real small pieces, even like a third that size, and you can get it going, that's very dry, clean burning, no smoke wood. And you get a nice little pile like that going, adding even bigger pieces is when you can add the logs. So we got it going here a little bit. I don't think that's going to go out now. I'm going to keep stoking it and I'll show you what we have on the next clip. All right, guys, Miss Tammy's all hugged up to the to the fire, we have definitely got it going. She got her gloves by recommendation from the subscribers. We went to Walmart. I got a hand-me-down pair. And this fire is absolutely going. That wood is totally dry. It's excellent firewood that's here at Sunrise Chalet. And all you got to do is get down to that little small splits. Look at that, very little smoke. It is starting to really rage now. I got a couple of big pieces on top. Yeah, you can see this has got some warmth in it too. Miss Tammy's gonna love it. And I'm gonna continue to cut and get some wood split so that we can have fire.
I have 3 sweatshirts on.
It's not even that cold. Oh, look, the fire just collapsed. But it's really burning. I'm gonna put some logs on there. And we're gonna have us a nice fire today. We're not gonna burn all the wood, but we're gonna get us a nice little fire to enjoy right now as I continue to work around the warmth and cut some wood over here out of the pile. And it's gonna be great. What do you think, Miss Tammy?
It's nice.
What did I do?
Rush.
You guys, I got my aim down now a little bit. I'm becoming, you do anything often enough and long enough, you get good at it. So I'm really swinging this thing now.
Well, that almost hit the camera person.
I don't think it hit the camera, but
No,
so that's a piece
the
there
camera
we'll put.
person.
And I'm going to start stacking some wood for the next couple of days.
Danger.
That's nice sticks once you get a fire going. This is the size sticks you get when you buy a little bundle. This is real light here. So some dead wood right there. These are for big pieces when we really get the fire going. And I'm going to get some more and split it to where they look like this, or even a little less. That's about a fourth or a third of the size of any of those logs. So I got a lot of cutting to do, but I'm getting it down. I'm crushing it. All right, everyone, I've got a half a cord of wood cut out there. Believe me, I got plenty of wood to have a fire Wednesday night. I think my daughter and her husband are coming up, and I've got a little fire going out there now that kept me warm. A little bit of a workout, and now it's time for a hungry man to enjoy what Miss Tammy made. Look at this. She got the crock pot out that comes with the Sunrise Chalet.
Oh, but careful.
It's a little warm.
Yeah.
And it's gonna drop some moisture there. Look at this. This is a good stew. We got a roast beef with potatoes and carrots. And I am ready to have it with some delicious looking dinner rolls. Miss Tammy's got her a blueberry muffin with some butter on it. That looks great. Thank you, Miss Tammy, for making all this. I appreciate it. Man, I'm gonna dig into this. This is on a cold day, folks. You know this is good. Look at that gravy. Oh yeah. Look at that roast beef. Well, let's begin. We're enjoying the chalet. It's kind of warm in here. I'm gonna bump it down because I've been out there chopping wood. Ooh, you can see the mountains out there, folks. It's been one of those days. The deck is wet, but the weather is improving the rest of the week. That's not gonna stop us though from getting out here and show you. Crushing that jacuzzi tonight. I gotta turn those chairs back around. I use them as a little stage there to hold my tripod while I made a video this morning. Check out my videos, folks. They're riveting, viral. Maybe I need something to eat with. I'm gonna tear this up. I can't wait for that bread to come back out, warmed up. Ooh, yeah, you could smell it if you could smell it, folks. I mean, what better meal is there? Like chili's good on a cool day, but this here will put meat on your bones. This will give you the nourishment you need. So I'm ready to crush it.